So going back to this place, going back to where we learn. Okay, now going back to where we learn about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and I said I'll be working with this and this. Oh, yes, that is it. Facebook ads and email, because this one is actually free and everybody can do it. So in this video here, I'll be showing the email marketing platform to use, and it is totally free. You don't need to pay a dime for it. Okay, so I'll be leaving the code in the mentorship group. So make sure you join the mentorship group. Okay, now how does email marketing work? First thing first, just go to your Google Chrome and type exactly what I'm typing over here. Make sure you bring hyphen gmail.com and then you type any name of your choice. For example, I wanted to promote my affiliate marketing course to what? People in Ghana or people in UK, US, or anywhere, but I was looking for names. Okay, so and I wanted to promote it through what? Gmail. I wanted to promote everything through Gmail, and now I need to look for the most popular names that people use on Gmail in the targeted country. Okay, so for example, in Ghana, I might type name like Bless Frempong, or it's the same thing. I can go to Google and type most popular name. Okay, most popular girl name in girl's name in Ghana. Okay, you can do it for other countries. Okay, so the most popular girl name here, you can see even I was good with it. Olivia. I was actually writing Olivia. If you follow me carefully, you realize that actually I actually write in Olivia before I leave it. If you think I'm joking, as you can see here, I already have the name Olivia before I stop. Okay, so click on it. Now you see Olivia at gmail.com, Olivia at Facebook, Olivia this and that, Olivia there, Olivia here. Now you can see there are a lot of emails that you can just copy from these platforms. Okay, there are lots of Gmails you can just copy it from these platforms, but you are not going to do that. What you're going to do now is click on this, click on select all. Okay, once you select all, make sure you copy. Sorry, yes, must be careful with whatever you are doing. So leave that side, click here, select all, then you copy. Once you copy, go to this particular site called email extractor Lite. Okay, click on it, and then this place, just paste all the things that you've copied. Scroll down here, separated them with what? Is it new line? I want them to be separated in a new line. Okay, I want them to be separated in a new line. Then you just click on extract from this angle. So I just extract, and then how many email did I get so far from here? So with what I just did, I have a 29 email, meaning I can now share my own affiliate marketing link with them. Okay, so now this is it. Like first thing first, I need to copy all this link. So just click on select all, then I copy. Okay, I now have a list of 29 people email. Okay, now the next thing I should do is what? Go to any of the products that I wanted to promote, right? So I'm going to my seller.co account, click on it, log in into my affiliate link directly. As you can see, I already have my affiliate link. So I wanted to promote a product from here. Since it is Olivia, I was looking for something very nice to promote to Olivia. Wealth, business, content creation, profession, art and marketing, and so other electronics. I was looking for fashion wears. Okay, I was actually looking for fashion wears, kid dressing. Are they really interested in this? No. Ladies of nowadays are not interested in making things, they are only interested in buying. So I need to be smart. Okay, I need to be smart and look for things that will actually fetch me the money that I want. So I decided to go to health and finance. So accounting without information about affiliate marketing, marketing business school, forex. Okay, so instead of me searching, I have an idea. I wanted to type affiliate marketing income blueprint and search. So as you can see, I just search affiliate marketing income blueprint and a lot of courses are popping up, right? So this is the one that I want with 60% commission. So click on it, get your link. But I already have this link, so I will just click on what? My affiliate link. Click on it. You can see I have it here with a total of 80 sales. So just need to copy my link or just click on my link. It will take me to whatever I want. So here is the sync of what I will be earning from there, right? This is the sync of what I will be earning, but this is not what I'm looking for actually. So I need to go back there and get what I want. So click on this, click on details. Here is this is not my affiliate link, it's a product link. Okay, it's a product link. I'm not actually okay with what I'm seeing. I was looking for something. Yes, this is something that I want. So I only need to copy this thing, increase the number of African, this and that, this and that, this and that, give me access to this and that, this and that. Yes. I want something that will convince people to pay for the course. I want something that will convince people to pay for the course. Okay. Now that I've got this, I just need to copy this. Now I'm going straight to the email. Now everybody have this email something on his phone. So now click on compose. Then you click to now go in there and paste all the emails that you've copied. Go in there and copy and paste all the email. Copy, paste. This one you select CC. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Let me see if I can just cut this thing off. Okay. Select CC. Go there. Paste all the email that you've 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 copied from there. Just paste all of it. New line. Good. Now that you are done with that, you can also paste over there. Click, make sure the last one with the dot, remove it. Good. Now that we are done with, we are sending with this as well. Oh, so sorry, for that. Send to black carbon copy. They don't know who is actually sending it. Okay, now compose your email or compose whatever you are sending. Now you click on this. So when the people actually read it, they are going to get to know something. So let's say in the middle of this, and the best part is they get quadrillion figures every week, and then this place you cut it and said, if you are also interested, click on this link to get started, right? So this is what you finally post. Then you now go for your link. You can now go for your affiliate link. It's either two things. You go for your affiliate link, or you go for your WhatsApp link for the people to message you. But here I just want to go directly with the affiliate link. I don't want, just copy the link text. Now you go back here, and then you just paste in your affiliate link over there. Make sure the affiliate link is close to, now you give space here. So now you understand. Now you can just click on send, and then email will be sent to all these people. Okay, email will be sent to all these people, and then voila, that is how it is. You'll be sending email to people every single day. If you send at least this 29 that I will send, if 5 people were able to buy the product, that means you get people voila within a minute. Okay, if you don't have money to run ads, you can be creating content and be posting them on TikTok, or download other people's content and post on Facebook, TikTok, and all those places to gain sales. So if you enjoy this, like, make sure you drop a review under it, and then join the mentorship. Become an affiliate today and make money online.